I had my veneers done about 30 years ago, and I knew that they were starting to not look so great, but I also knew that it was a process to redo them. And I was kind of hemming and hawing. And I would come into the office and Dr. Menon would sit with me and she would say, you know, I really love doing this. I'm good at doing this. I can make your smile look even better. After a while, as I became more comfortable with Dr. Menon and all the staff, I said, let's just do this. You know, I've been coming to get my teeth cleaned every 6 months, but when you come in for veneers, you're coming in for some more appointments. And that's where I really got to know the staff very well. Veneers take about 3 appointments overall. And by the time I had my 3rd appointment, I was really ready to say goodbye to my old veneers and welcome the new ones. And when I looked in the mirror, I couldn't have been happier with my smile. I was really pleased with Jen, who did the veneers, and Dr. Menon, and they really treat you like family. If you're considering getting anything done cosmetic, I highly recommend Newman Springs Dental Care. They'll make you feel comfortable and you'll walk out feeling even better and more confident.